Yawan chikabam yang plang festival kaban long ha ka atpusan risau ha sau man glenti shoban poi tersan belapenya daga senjuk mau plang.
Ka Self Defense Martial Arts Training Center ka badai ka jaka ajing hikai yaki khana ha ka jingle kai taekwondo ha ka sien ka baning kong kala sha jet ban mi khmat na ka banta ka jilla ha ka first Bangga Bandhu Open International Championship ka ban long hari Bangladesh ha nong ba Dhaka ka ban sedang do ka khat khandai tarik risau ha do ka arpoi tarik risau arja pulai kani ka kunhon ka kunthop ya khandai ngot ki khana kan thai ban ri ngot ki khana sinrang but an yalam ki da ka pinki nursery ka bari ka coach jong kani ka kunhon but UN Shukla ubri international referee but kumjoro ubabat kum president ka East Khasi Hills Taekwondo Association habyo ban ya kran but kani ka kunhon ki laong ba kani ka sen ka baning kong bakin shim banta hakum kani ka jingi lekai but ki don ka jingi kermen ban yo ban wan rat nam yakari but ka jalla
ngar bari ni ki participants ban le ka support ana nampak juga kalau ka busir ka ba saw bahan ba na dapat na sikwa ban lekai mo jion rai hak ni ka ta ban ta na yo la ni ban lekai da ka jing an sim jingles coach bi no ya na pidang la ban le badana so bangam na shu ngala join ta la system ban na ya kun na ka under 50 senior category na ki freshers na ho mo na kermen bagi yo ni job ni bagi lai test ni lai practice di kermen bagi yo ya ka ka thong ka bagi ya kini di kasir ka bali kong ka ba mangi baro ni sha invite nang tinathaka na mata ban yung kunin ni ka competition ka state Meghalaya juni na kari India tingi dan ka jing kermen ka ba raw ha bangin la ban nuan ra ki medals ni yo ki jing job am ta ka ri la jong ta ka state la jong
ngala lekai buat ki tournament po state but national level mentang like represent bandai hapok ka international championship ka kategori junga di hapok ka cadet ngakuat ban penyo enam ya ka state Meghalaya ba da bandra da unggul matu.
This is my first time representing international in Bangladesh, Dhaka, and I'm playing in under 55 category, and I will do my best to bring medal.
We are going to participate in Open International Championship in Bangladesh, organized by Bangladesh Taekwondo Federations, and we are the only states from India, Meghalaya, from Meghalaya we are invited there. And there will be 4 different weight categories, I mean age group wise, under 12, under 14, 14 plus, then 17 plus. The weight category starts from sub-junior, junior, cadets and senior. We are very thankful to the government, Honorable Sri Conrad Sangma. He supported us. He supported us in financially. We are total of us is 15, 9 girls and 4 boys, and 1 team coach, 1 team manager. Our academy name is Self Defense Martial Art Training Center, which is under the banner of East Khasi Hills District Taekwondo Association. At present, we are representing East Khasi Hills District Taekwondo Association from Meghalaya.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.